cut your chest hair also.
Let it start at least.
What?
What?
What are we doing today?
Okay, we are doing a sit down is what I planned. मैं बहुत टाइम से लॉन्ग फॉर्मेट बहुत टाइम मतलब मैं 8 साल से कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कि लॉन्ग फॉर्मेट पे थोड़ा एक्टिव हूँ और रेगुलर हूँ.
But
So
you're still standing.
yeah, thanks Sonali. Let me at least finish what I'm saying. Okay, the thing is that we are doing a sit down today. ताकि the sit down is going to be between me and Sonali. Sonali is going to interview me ताकि आप लोग मुझे जान पाओ. So it's a little bit of a narcissistic behavior, but मजा आने वाला है. I want कि हम जो ये मैं नई प्रतिज्ञा ले रहा हूँ YouTube पे एक्टिव होने की वो मैं थोड़ा कमिटेड तरीके से करूँ. That is why I really want to share my life and who I am with you guys and why you should subscribe to this channel.
God bless me and the audience.
Are we ready to go? Are we ready for the sit down?
Are you ready? You have to answer.
I am ready. Yeah, I haven't prepped much other than giving you the questions,
Yeah.
which I got from ChatGPT, by the way.
That's Gaurav's life, ChatGPT. Welcome to the YouTube channel of Gaurav and ChatGPT.
This is a sit down. It's not an honest sit down.
Yeah,
You have to lie. You have to make me look good.
Arey, start now.
Start. You start. You have to conduct the session. You ask
I'm
me
going to ask
questions,
him
I'll
some
answer.
questions and he's going to answer you guys.
Get to know me, guys. Get to know me.
So, if your life was a movie, what would it be called and who would play you?
This was the first question I actually saw and the only question that I saw.
And he's been thinking about
I've
it
been
ever
thinking
since.
about it. I actually thought about Mr. Amazing, but yeah, that'd be too much. No, jokes apart, I really thought about it. और मेरे को लगा कुछ ऐसे दिल से होना चाहिए, दिल वाला टाइप, something. दिल से, दिल वाला is good, yeah.
Yeah.
दिल्ली से दिल वाला.
And who would play you?
I would play me, bro. I'm an actor. I need a break. You should answer this. Who do you think could play
I
me?
think like Vedang Raina should play you to answer it.
Why?
Okay. I like him in the younger
Why
lot
would
as
he
an
play
actor.
me?
He's a good actor, so he can become you also that way.
Cool. ठीक है.
What's your most embarrassing on-camera moment so far, apart from today's video?
यार ये एक बहुत funny incident हुआ.
Say.
ये बहुत funny incident हुआ था during the shooting. I shot for Ragini MMS season 2 returns and बहुत लंबा time चला था यार. 1 साल से ऊपर shoot चला था. We had to change about 7-8 directors. तो उसमें ना काफ़ी सारे kissing scenes, make out scenes and all of those things were there. I mean we've gone through a fair share of fights because of that, right?
I know.
So उस समय क्या हुआ था कि the one scene एक make out जो sequence था वो हमने starting में mostly सारे कर लिए थे, which was towards like Jan Feb and that time I was completely ripped. And cut to 9-10 months later उसका reshoot आया, उसका सब कुछ आया and reshoot में वो make out scene का भी आ गया. अब because the shoot was going on for so long, it had been about 10-11 months and the shoot wasn't getting over. अब Jan में मैं full ripped था and by the end of the year I had a belly because the shoot wasn't getting over. We were drinking and it was a little messy shoot. So I think yeah, that's pretty embarrassing.
Welcome to my life, Gaurav's fluctuating body. You wanted to be a funny video, no?
This is make me look good. I'm joking.
Yeah. What's the one thing you do that screams मैं content creator हूँ?
This?
Yeah.
No.
Bus, short
but,
answer.
But I think I have a wide. I love technology. I have all sorts of camera. We're shooting this on a Sony A7 IV. We're also shooting this on a Pocket 3. We have lights. I gather like all shooting equipment. Equipments. I can say equipments. Yeah. अटक गया था वहाँ पे.
So then why are you starting this YouTube channel now?
But why are you getting so annoyed? You also just started. Did I ask you why you started your YouTube channel?
Then why are you starting it
I'm
now?
starting because it's been long due. कितने सच दिल की बात बताऊं कितने लोगों को देखा मैंने यहाँ शुरू करते कितना आगे निकल गया कब से सोच रहा हूँ शुरू करूँगा
That is the biggest motivation.
I have been I think it's about time and I really want to be consistent with it and make sure that I connect with my audience what I really like. I've done my fair bit of shows, I've done my fair bit of work on TV also. I've been training as an actor for the past good 4 years now. I've studied in various methods of acting. I mean you've seen the journey, right? So the whole idea was that I want to build on a very loyal, very cult audience who will follow me for who I am, and this is one place जहाँ पे मैं आप लोगों के साथ connect करना चाहता हूँ, and you can see me for who I am really. I think we have been very skeptical about putting ourselves, our personal selves out there, and I think it's about time that we do that, and I hope you know you guys are fun watching us, man. Yeah.
So that brings me to the next question.
Why do you have that smirk on your face?
Because if I put myself out there, I look like a bully.
You are a bully.
Yeah, so that's why.
That's okay.
But this is not about
bully,
me.
But you're,
This
you're
is about
good, You're a
you.
good kind of bully.
So what kind of content should we expect on the channel?
आज ना मैं थोड़ा सा दिल से ही बात करता हूँ. The whole idea, and you know my journey, so this might be a little boring for you and for you guys also. मेरा आदत है कि मैं ऐसे फनी होते इतना खींच देता हूँ बात को कि वो बोरिंग हो सकती है. So please bear with me.
खींचते 10 साल हो गए.
Ross, you remember? Okay. The whole idea is कि I'm an actor. Most of the people know me from my journey from reality shows. I've been on 3 seasons of Roadies, 1 season of Splitsvilla, and I've done fairly well on these shows. I just haven't had that kind of audience which I think I should have had, but that's also because of poor timing of the shows getting released, or you know, maybe one or show not doing well, or me coming at a later stage in a show. So the whole point is very few people know me as an actor, and very few people know me as to what I've put into my journey as an actor. And the whole reason of me shifting base to Bombay was that I am an actor and I wanted to pursue the movies. Right? तो बड़े पर्दे पे आना है. Eventual goal ये है मेरी ज़िंदगी का कि मेरे को बड़े पर्दे पे आना है. I want to do movies. I want to act. And I don't care, honestly, अगर मुझे बॉलीवुड से रोल मिलता है, बिग बैनर से रोल मिलता है, मेरे को बिग लॉन्च मिलता है, नहीं मिलता है, मिलेगा, I'll be more than happy about it, right? We all strive for it. But नहीं भी मिलेगा, end of the day I want to act. I act on stage, doesn't matter. I act on, खुद का शूट करके बनाए, खुद प्रोड्यूस करके बनाए. We've also produced a lot of content. We make cinema even on Instagram. All of that we do. The whole idea of doing this YouTube channel and what people should expect out of this is कि eventual journey हमारी सिनेमा घरों में पहुंचने की है, सिनेमा में और स्क्रीन्स पे पहुंचने की है. And this is going to be like a sort of log to the entire thing. This is going to be like a stepping stone to it. So it's going to have a mix of vlogs, a lot of behind the scenes of what we do, right? How we spend our lives, what kind of person I am, right? So a lot of putting myself out there, personal self out there, and what my people are all about, or my team is all about, and then eventually building an audience जिनको हम सिनेमा घरों तक बुला सकते हैं once we are doing feature films. So this is also going to be a building block. You can also expect like game shows here. I'm not going to limit myself to one particular thing because that is not who I am. You go to my Instagram also, you'll see I'm a plethora of things. I'm into films, I'm into fashion, I'm into fitness, I'm into having fun. So that is what this channel is also going to be about. It's going to be about films, fashion, fitness, fun, our fur babies. Rest assured, I'm going to try and keep bringing fresh and original content and not just वो copy paste वाला मामला अपने से नहीं होता. So that's not what we're going to do. Every time we're going to try and push boundaries and bring in something fresh. Yeah. Yep.
That's enough about the channel and the content. Okay. Now it comes to relationship dynamic
between you and me. Okay.
Okay. So what's one thing about you that only I know, but your audience should know as well?
I'm a kid at heart and I would love for you guys to see the real kid me. I think हमारा सबसे अच्छा bond और connection तब होता है जब हम किसी और के अंदर का बच्चा देख सकते हैं जो उनका बच्चा है, and that's the kid we all try to protect all our lives, right? From everyone. So I think if you get to see that, I think we'll be able to build a strong connection.
Yeah, and the kid you is very cute. Unlike not the monkey you, the kid you. What's the most annoying thing that I do while you're trying to shoot?
Okay, during my shoot, Sonali disturbs me a lot on purpose.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I'm
because he's such a highly distracted person that he has to react and it'll break the flow of things, and that just like entertains me way too much.
But honestly, low-key, I also enjoy it.
Yeah. Who's more likely to go viral between us and why? First, I will answer this. Gaurav will go viral because he can try a lot of new things. I don't want to try all these random things. So I think he's the one who is more likely to go viral trying things.
I would say it's Sonali because, well, she's a girl.
Yeah. Wow. There are so many girls in this world, but okay, thank you.
No, but you're the prettiest of them all, really. You're the prettiest.
So why haven't I gone viral in 10
You're the
years?
sweetest. Baby, because my nazar has protected you.
What scares you the most about being this open online?
I really fear that, I am putting more, it's not even about me. I don't want any harm to come to my loved ones or my family or my close ones. And when you put yourself out there, they also kind of, come as a part of the package, of the entire package.
But if you don't do anything bad, then...
It's not about good or bad. वो नज़र भी कहते हैं, नज़र भी लगती है और दूसरा वो है कि I don't ever want, because I am putting my opinions out there, my worldview out there, कि मेरे परिवार वालों को, तेरे को, मेरे दोस्तों को, किसी को नुकसान पहुंचे. But at the same time, we can't also live tight-lipped all our fucking lives.
Do you also have the fear of being cancelled?
I don't give a shit about myself, but I really do care about my family. मेरे को अपने से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
About being
इसकी
cancelled?
बहन की मजे.
What's your ultimate dream with this channel? Not in numbers, but impactfully.
I'm a person who believes I've found my purpose in life, and I think that's to spread kindness. We need हमारे दहशत बहुत है हमारे घरों में, हमारे दिलों में और हमारे देश में.
Kindness begins at home.
So I would definitely want to spread kindness, and kindness begins at home. You're right. I may fail multiple times, Sonali, but that's something that I always practice and preach.
But you
और मैं
are
इस channel
kind.
के ज़रिए से भी
But
वही
he
करना
is.
चाहूँगा.
But he is basically
It's
kind to
practice.
everybody else. Yeah.
Yes. To everybody else, what? I'm also kind to you.
Just saying. If someone watches just one video on your channel, what do you want them to feel when it ends?
I want them to feel something. To feel something. So हो सकता है हम आगे जाके fiction short films कर रहे हो यहाँ पे. हो सकता है हम full feature length करें, इंशाल्लाह. तो वो जब होएगा, अगर भगवान की मर्जी रही, तो I would want them to leave with some emotion. They leave, with a feeling of reminiscence. किसी घर वाले की याद आई, चेहरे पे मुस्कुराहट आई, खुशी आई. It leaves you with warmth. It leaves you with fear to a certain extent. Let's say if we do some horror stuff or something like that, or it makes you want to get up and fucking go to the gym. I'd be very happy as long as it can have a real time impact or a real time impact on how you feel.
Okay. So thanks for the podcast. Just kidding. I don't think I have any more questions.
So I just want to talk about my partner here. This is this is not a girlfriend I've kept. It's a critique. Personal critique है मेरे. Thank you so much for doing this, baby. Thank you so much for helping me get to my people and talk to my people. Thank you so much.